Hello student. Today I'll be telling about how you can use search engine. What is search engine? Can anyone tell me search engine? Yes, that's right. Search engine is a place where you can find information on the internet. Okay? So, when you want to use the search engine, first you need to use the browser. Okay? So here we have different browser you can use. Microsoft Edge, this is a browser. Google Chrome also, this is a browser. So today I will be using this Google Chrome to search the information. Okay, so you will double click 2 times to your Chrome. So I'll click 2 times, and when you click, you will see like this screen. In the screen, you will type the word kiddle because today you will be using kiddle's kid search engine. Okay, so kiddle, how do you think you will be spelling the word kiddle? Kiddle. Okay, please try it. Yeah, that's nearly correct. Okay, I'll tell. Kiddle, kiddle. Okay, now you have already typed, so you will press enter from your keyboard. Okay, when you press enter, you will see the links, so many links. So you will choose the first link, this first link. Okay, it was written Kiddle Visual Search Engine for Kids. So you click on this link. Now you are going to the very big library. Okay, search engine is like a very big library. In the library, you can see so many books, right? Different books in different places, right? Like this. Now we are entering into the library. Okay, so now we have reached to the library. So we will type a book that we want to know. We will search a book that we want to know. So I will type the word restaurant because I want you to search about restaurant. Okay, can anyone spell me restaurant for me? Can anyone spell restaurant for me? I know this is a little bit difficult for you. Okay, I'll tell restaurant. Okay, I'll help you. Okay, rest a rent. Okay, I'll tell again. Okay, restaurant, restaurant. Okay, now you can click on this one, this small circle, or you can press enter from your keyboard. I'll click on this one. So now you can see so many links related with restaurant, you see. So when you want to go down, you can move this scroll bar just by moving up and down. You can go to the bottom or top. Okay, you see at the bottom there are different numbers. You see these numbers shows different pages about restaurant. There are so many pages about restaurant you can see, and at the top you can also see some other tab. You see different tabs: web, facts, images, news, videos. So today I'll show you different tabs. How do they work? Okay, so when you press an image, you can see so many different images about restaurant. Or when you press on videos, you can see the videos about restaurant. Or web, you can see the information about restaurant. So today I want you to find the web information about restaurant. Okay, you can choose one of the links as you like. You can choose one link as you like. So I'll choose this link. Okay, restaurant facts for kids. I'll click on this one. When you click on this one, you can see detailed information about the topic. Okay, so you will copy this title into your book and you will write one sentence about your subject. Okay, so in this one, I can copy this sentence into my notebook. Okay, so remember, first you will search, then you will copy the title, and you will copy one sentence about your searching. That's all you need to do. Alright? So, another thing, when you're doing, you will need to do everything yourself. You cannot get help from your parents or your sister or your brother. You will do yourself, and your parents can help you just by taking the video for you. They will take the video while you are doing so that I can see your work, how you are doing step by step. Alright? Okay. Do you have any questions? I'll tell again. You will search it yourself. You will copy the title of your search and you will write one sentence about your topic. And you will do everything yourself, and your parents or your brother or your sister will take the video for you. After that, you will send your video to me, okay, to my mail, or you can post on Class Dojo. That's all. Alright, I'll see you soon. Goodbye. Have a nice day.